how to log into Quaver and access the assignments that I am going to be assigning to you. If you are not logged into Clever, then you can click on Google Chrome and type in, let me get rid of some of these, type in quavermusic.com/login.aspx, and that will take you to the Quaver login screen. Now, the Quaver name is your 9-digit student ID number, which if you don't know what it is, you can find it through the Skyward Family Access. But I created a test student, and so I'm going to type that 9-digit number, and then most of the passwords are music1 or music. If you're older, your password might still be music, like 4th and 5th grade, I think. Most of them are switched over to music1 though. Anyway, you are going to click the eyeball just to make sure you typed your password in correctly. Otherwise, you can just click enter. Now, sometimes your computer might ask you, or your Chromebook, whatever the case is, might ask you if you want to use Flash. Either way, if you access with the Flash, then you can explore Quaver Street. If you click without the Flash, then it's just going to take you to your student dashboard. We're eventually going to the student dashboard, but I always tell people go ahead and click with Flash. And then your computer might want you to allow the Flash, so go ahead and allow that. Here is Quaver Street, and you can always explore this stuff on Quaver Street, but what we're going to do is actually click on the yellow student tab, and then you can see that my pretend student's name is there, Melody, and she's in my test class, so that's going to show up there. Otherwise, it might show either your name or your ID number, and then it should show your teacher's name in this part right here. So you're going to click on A+ assignments, and then every week I'll be assigning 2 things, and so the first one is the one that I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to pull it up over here, where I'm going to click launch. I can watch my video.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Weinberg. I just wanted to send a little greeting and say that even though I can't be with you physically for music class the next couple of weeks, I am going to be posting things for you to do online as well as things through Quaver. So be on the lookout and we're going to have fun.
And then once I'm done with the video, I'm going to click next. And then there's just a little quiz that you're going to take. So start. Did you complete this lesson? Yes or no? So I'm going to say yes. And then I'm going to click the yellow arrow, press submit. And now I've successfully submitted my quiz. Once I'm done with that, there's no more screens, because if I click that, it just takes me to the first screen again. So I'm going to exit, and now you'll see that my assignment has turned green, which means that it's been graded. I can look at it and I can see, oh look, I got 100%. Now, you might wonder, where is that other assignment? Well, if you go back to either the all or the incomplete, there is my graded assignment, and there's my assignment number 2. So the next time I do music, I would click on assignment 2 and I would do that, just like I did before. Once I'm done, I can exit out back to my student dashboard. I can exit again, and then I can actually explore Quaver Street if I'd like to. Otherwise, I can log out. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.